Alright, so today we are going to take a quick look at Google Docs and some of the basic functions. First, you will need to go to google.com and you will need to sign in. I have already signed in, so I'm not going to go through that process. Once you have gone to google.com and you're signed in, you should see the Google Apps grid. Click on the Google Apps grid. There's two ways you can get to Google Docs. My preferred method is just to go directly to Google Docs. Some people do like to click on Google Drive, but today we are just going to go to Google Docs. So just click on Google Docs. Once you are in the Google Docs application, you will see that there are many options. You can start with a blank document. You can work on resumes or choose other templates. Just like in Microsoft Word, there are different templates that you can use for different purposes. But today we are just going to start with a blank document. So click on blank. Now, once the Google Doc opens, it will open to a blank sheet, just like in Microsoft Word. And up at the top left-hand corner, it says Untitled Document. I like to change the title of my document immediately so that I don't forget what I'm working on if I happen to just log out on accident. So today, I'm just going to put Example Doc. Now you will notice that there is a file where you can share, you can create a new one, you can open an old one, rename, make a copy, move to trash, or move to a folder. This also has where you can download. Because this is online and it is all stored online as you type, you can choose to make a different copy to have on a flash drive or to keep on your computer. Google Docs has many of the same tools as Microsoft Word Processor does. You have your print, undo, redo, your paint format, your zoom in and out. You have text styles. You have title, subtitle, heading 1, heading 2, heading 3, and you have different options. You also have different fonts that you can choose from. The fonts are somewhat limited, but you can add more fonts if you want to. Right now, I'm really liking Playfair Display or Brie Serif. So I'm going to choose Playfair, and then I'm going to change my font style, my font size to a 30. So, just like when you're typing on Google, on Microsoft, you can type here, and as I type, it tells me that all my changes have been saved in my drive. I can add comments if I wanted to. I can add hyperlinks. I can also change where my justification is, just like in a normal document. The great thing about Google Docs is that it saves changes automatically, and I can collaborate with other people by simply sharing my document. So to share a document, I will go right here to my top right hand corner where it says share, and I will click on it. There are 3 ways that I can share the document, or 3 methods. I can enter names and or email addresses, and I can also use a shareable link. I'm going to click shareable link, and then I can copy and paste this link to anything, to emails, to websites, to discussion boards, and anybody with that link can either view it, or can comment, or can make edits. Usually if I'm sharing the link, I only choose can view. Now if I'm sharing with specific people, I do choose can edit or can comment. But if you are collaborating with someone, then you should choose can edit so that you both can work on your project simultaneously. And I'm going to just share this with myself. That way, and if I want, I can add a little note. Please review paper. Make changes as needed. And once I send, it will let me know that it's been successful. Shared with one person. Now, if I want to see who has been working on my paper with me, I can go and review suggested edits. And there haven't been any. And there is also a way that you can view the changes that have been made. And this, when you click on where the changes, it says it saves, it will show you your revision or your version history. So every time it updates, it shows you what has been changed and the day and time that it has been changed. Now to get out of this page and to go work on something different, you simply just click the Docs home. You will see that today I worked on an example document, and it also shows that I have shared it. Now I was working on something the other day that I did not title and I did not share, so therefore there isn't the little people beside it. And that is how to create and share a Google Doc.